5 Side Hustles for Passive Income Online 2021. Are you too a huge fan of earning more money? Do you too think that you should attain a side hustle business to get a passive income online in 2021? Well, if this is the case, then this video is for you. You should consider it, as this is the best way to get passive income online in 2021. Side hustling can allow you to earn a little extra money to help you acquire the financial goals faster, whether it is about paying off education loans or saving for your retirement. There are various side hustles for passive income online ideas out there. And in today's video, we will showcase the 5 side hustles for passive income online in 2021. These businesses have great earning potential, scheduling, and immense growth. But before we begin with this video for 5 side hustles for passive income online in 2021, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos like this. And here we begin with our list. Number 5, dropshipping. Here is yet another fun side hustle thing for you to take on. It's the most popular side hustle nowadays, that is dropshipping. Dropshipping is the side hustle for managing the online retail store and using the third-party supplier to fulfill the order. Also, with it, you need not handle the product directly via yourself. The most prominent difference between standard retail and dropshipping is that the seller doesn't stock or own any inventory. Instead, the seller might purchase the inventory when required from the manufacturer and wholesaler to fulfill the orders. Besides, dropshipping is beneficial as using the dropshipping model. You will not need upfront capital to begin with. That is all because you are not required to purchase the desired product until the sales take place. Without the requirement for any stocking inventory, it is possible to begin with the successful dropshipping business with only a little bit of upfront costs. And probably you need not know how to build or code a website to get started. Websites like BigCommerce, Shopify, and Wix are the platforms you can use to begin your dropshipping business today. Number 4, take online surveys. Online surveys are a popular deal, and we all know that they are now accessible on every application and website. This must be included in our list of 5 side hustles for passive income online in 2021. There are distinct places where you can make money online by taking surveys. And surprisingly, this is a meager paying opportunity, but one that you can do in your spare time or anytime when you are free. You can take surveys even while you are in college or school and get paid via your work. So if you can turn on your computer, you can earn some amount of money, but the income potential is not that much in online surveys. So how to start to take online surveys? Well, here are the tips for beginning with. First, you can visit the Swagbox survey website, where you will get the dedicated survey section, and you can earn about $5 for just signing up. And the amount to take surveys is different. Similarly, Ibotta and Survey Junkie are the other 2 sites that allow you to earn cash and rewards for sharing opinions and thoughts. Hence, the earning potential for taking online surveys is roughly around $50 per month. The schedule is 10 out of 10, and growth potential is 1 out of 10, as it is not that popular. Number 3, start a blog. On number 3, we have blogging on our list of 5 side hustles for passive income online in 2021. This one is a favorite of most people, as it is one of the most accessible side hustles out there. Meanwhile, on the other side, it is not an immediate income-producing opportunity. Starting and growing the blog does take some time, but we estimate that you can start earning at least $1,000 per month at the mark of 12 months. It is only if you do it consistently, that is, 3 times per week. Remember that blogging always starts with low success, and it needs a lot more work than usual. However, the growth potential in blogging is nearly limitless. So, if you seek a long-term side hustle, this could be the one for you. So, how to start with your blogging? Some platforms are there, like Bluehost. On Bluehost, you can start your blog on it for just about $295 a month. You can also get some free courses before starting your blogs online to make your passive income. Also, if your work goes well, your blogging can become permanent or total-time blogging work. Besides that, what is the earning potential in blogging? Well, to your surprise, you can earn about $1,000 a month with the hard work of 12 months. Even if scheduling is excellent and the growth potential is somehow so immense, you cannot miss out. Make sure you stay for the next top 2 and the most potential side hustles for passive income online in 2021. Keep watching the video till the end so that you won't miss out on these. Also, at this moment, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more uploads like this one. Number 2. Tutoring. Besides, if you have any other skills or desire to implement some other skill, you can go for tutoring. Teaching is one side hustling job that provides you with a passive income online in 2021. Nowadays, online teaching is trending and everyone is attaining that. So, grab this opportunity and be a teacher to earn huge. If you're already a teacher or have a college degree, you can get paid to tutor kids online. Yes, you heard it right. One of the hottest growing demands areas right now is teaching English or any other foreign language as a second language online to children overseas. One of the benefits of tutoring or teaching online is time zone difference. Every country has a different time zone, and from wherever you are, you can start teaching students online. This is one of the most perfect side hustles if you seek something you can do at home on your computer at night. These organizations require you to be a teacher or have at least a bachelor's degree. In addition, you should be comfortable teaching over a webcam at home, so lights, a good camera, mic, and some technical computer skills are all that is required. Remember, you can also tutor any subjects offline by finding students in your area. In addition, you can begin tutoring online by using platforms like VIP Kid or GoGo Kid. The original online ESL teaching platform is VIP Kid, one of the largest, and provides you with the best teaching functionalities. Meanwhile, GoGo Kid is the fast upcoming platform for hiring and growing teachers' requirements for students rapidly. You will get an earning potential of $400 a month in this side hustle. Also, the schedule is again 4 out of 10 and growth potential is immense. And at number 1, online freelancing. Online freelancing is again the side hustle that everyone is doing and is not so challenging to pursue. It is because of the flexibility it offers. Yes, anyone who has good knowledge of English or communication can do freelancing. Not only in writing, one can do freelancing in any field they desire, including content writing, video editing, translation, virtual assistant, and many more like these. There are so many ways to make money online freelancing. If you can read, write, or program, or any skills you have, you can convert it into your earning source. You can learn various more skills like them and make money online. You can also do bookkeeping for other businesses online and earn huge. Some areas that are easy for you to pursue freelancing or get started with are the online transcription work in podcasts or other voicings, online virtual assistant services, and online social media management. Well, all we will have to say is that the potential in online freelancing is limitless if you are even a little tech savvy or have writing skills. So, how to start with that online freelancing thing? Well, you can begin with proofreading anywhere, like learn how to get paid to be a professional proofreader. Later, transcribe or learn how to transcribe any audio and get paid online. You can also learn how to dominate social media for small businesses. Learn how to become the highest paid virtual assistant online and more. To your surprise, if you're worried about its earning potential, then not to worry, as you can make $5,000 a month within your 12 monthly working journey. Also, the scheduling is 7 out of 10 and growth potential is 8 out of 10. So better start now. And there you have it. These are the 5 best side hustles for passive income online in 2021. Are you excited to follow these? Well, let us know your views in the comments section below. And until the following video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this one. See you soon and goodbye.